Insert mechanical T command. To draw mechanical T fitting, we are going to use srjcat program command called insert mechanical T. This command can be called through srjcat menu or by toolbar or by command prompt. The short form to call insert mechanical T command is IMT. When this command is called, Insert Mechanical T tab will be opened. The diameter of the mechanical T can be selected using this pop-up list. And also select the reducing diameter using these pop-up list. The required perspective can be switched using these radio buttons. Click Insert button and specify the point to be inserted. Mechanical T drawn.